Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Omaha. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat back and tray tables in the full upright and locked position. And all your carrying items completely underneath the seat in front of you so they're not blocking access to the main outlet clear on your feet. You may just see at the cellular phones at this time, but please remain seated once the aircraft departs at the gate. Please use caution when opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted during flight and could fall out. There will be a customer service representative to provide current gate and flight departure information as well as directions to ground transportation and baggage claim. On behalf of this Atlanta-based crew, we thank you for choosing us today. The next time your travel plans call for air travel, look fast and easy at southwest.com. Have an enjoyable stay here in Omaha, wherever your final destination may take you.